traders, it's 44 minutes past 2 p.m. here in Brisbane on Wednesday, the 29th of November, and I am out of the ring with Kiwi Dollar. So let's take a look. Now, this fight was a really fun fight. At no point was there really some struggle or any kicks and punches flying my way. So when I've done the second update video, I mentioned that this was the area that I started my offense and I explained the reason why. And here at the red line, just underneath this predominant low was my defense line. As you can see, we had a really nice strong push into a higher high. In fact, we actually cleared two lower highs along the way. So that shows me some strong buying momentum. Now, at some point, I was contemplating whether I should move my defense to protect some of the ground that are already covered in the ring and also to protect my risk underneath this bullish rejection candle. However, this is not really a predominant swing higher low, and I was looking more on a higher time frame move. So I wanted to see a more mid to higher time frame swing higher low, which is why I kept my defense here. Yes, it kept my risk, but I still believe that with this break, it was a strong bullish move. So as we can see, we had a pullback over here and a move away, another pullback and another move away. So let's take a look quickly on the 4 hours. And this is where I've started moving my defense line. I did that based on the 4 hours. So from this predominant low, just underneath this low, so really within a small profit. And then continuing underneath this low, so let's just move that around as well. So just underneath this low, it's also the retest of that strong breakout level. This is the original area for my offense. So again, a nice place to move to. And then we had that push toward that point swing, which we'll have a look in more details on the 1 hour. But then the defense line was finally moved underneath here. So again, locking in and protecting the ground that I've already covered in the ring. So let's go back into the 1 hour and see the information that happened around the point swing area. So as you can see, we got into that area and there was a strong sell-off. So a nice area to lock in some of the profit. After that, the opponent had another touch at that area and a beautiful move and a break. Now, we got into my knockout area and just touched it, but this happened during the middle of the night for me, so between 2 to 3 a.m. in the morning, and I just missed my exit on the spread. Very frustrating, but luckily I didn't even see it because, again, middle of my night. So it pulled back, tested the point swing area from above and continued higher. And then in my morning, I got my knockout. So on this candle, I got my knockout. Now, this big push that we're seeing over here, this was the Reserve Bank of New Zealand holding their interest rate at bay. So the thing that got the market excited and saw a surge in the Kiwi dollar was the fact that they were saying, but we're not thinking about any rate cuts. In fact, that would probably be pushed toward the middle of 2025. So we saw a strong buy coming into the Kiwi dollar. But look, these are big economic news, and just the same, this thing could have dropped the other side. So I'm quite happy to get out of this fight before this big economic news. So to summarize, offense line was down here at the black line, and this beautiful fight eventually ended up in the knockout within this candle. Beautiful fight, and to quote the A-team, I love it when a plan comes together. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.